Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to mix a glitter gel. I just grabbed these two glitters that I had in my drawer. One is a light green, one is a dark green, and then we're going to take IBD gel and make a mess. So what I'm doing is I'm going to mix this up and I'm going to add this tint. This is number 7 from Nails, and I think I add like 5 or 6 drops into this, and then we just going to make a big mess here. And then when we mix it up, we realize we put too much glitter in, so less is more. I probably maybe would have started with the gel first and then tint and then gone in with the glitter, and I would have known, but you can see this just explodes everywhere. So what I do is I put it in a new pot and add more of the IBD gel, and it comes out perfect. I absolutely love how it comes out. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in there, and then we are going to take our ink again because I want it to be, and there you go, literally explodes. You can see me like, what the heck? But it ends up being fine. So I'm gonna mix it up together, and then I'm gonna demo it on my nails, and then we will get into the tutorial. All right, I'm going to take Night Shift from Madam Glam, and we are going to do this all over our nails. What I really like about Madam Glam here is that this specific color and a lot of their colors are a 1-coat coverage, and I am going to come over with that glitter gel. So having a really good base underneath is really good, and I get a pretty good amount of wear. I think the longest I wore this color was like 3 weeks, because I just didn't feel like doing my nails, so I left them on for about 3 weeks. And you know, when Madam Glam reached out to me, I was really trying to figure out if this was a brand I wanted to have represented on my channel, because I do try to weed out the brands that I'm not quite sure about. But they had talked about that they are vegan and cruelty-free, and I was really intrigued with that because that is just definitely something that I'm trying to lean towards. I'm not perfect. I will never be perfect, obviously. But they don't test on animals, and I was like, okay, well, 2 for 2, that's really, really great. They also have so many colors. Literally, I was looking at it and I'm like, oh my God, what do I choose? I haven't had a bad one yet, but you know, you're just like, okay, that's a lot of colors, and they come out with new colors every month, and I'm like, okay, well, if I miss out on one color, it's no big deal. I'll just go get a different color. So what I'm gonna do here is apply a thin layer of that glitter gel that we made earlier, and since it has that tint, we are deepening that green, and I really wanted to kind of make it Christmassy, but not too Christmassy, you know what I mean? But although I guess red and green during this time is just going to be Christmas regardless. So I'm doing that thin layer, almost like that slip layer, and then I'm gonna come in with a larger bead, and then we are going to concentrate most of it in the center, because again, we're doing this on built out nails, so you don't wanna add too much bulk to the side. So by doing it in the center, you will reduce the bulkiness look, but still have that payoff from that glitter. All right, I am just taking a lint-free wipe and wiping off that inhibition layer. What I use for my cleanser is 90% alcohol and acetone. So alcohol is 3/4 and then 1/4 acetone, and it works perfectly. So I'm going to take a buffer here because my glitter applied pretty smoothly. There might be a few that stick up, but the buffer pretty much takes care of it. If you do have quite a few sticking up, I recommend a file and then coming in with a buffer. But like I said, mine seem to do okay. So now we are going to apply a top coat. I'm taking Madam Glam's top coat. Again, I do have a code for them. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. I have a 30% off code, but if you're part of their VIP program, then, you know, my code is inferior to that. So I do love it glossy, but when I saw it matte after buffing, I was like, okay, I have to do it matte. So I ended up just taking my buffer again and going ahead and buffing these nails after I cure it. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.